Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Back at our warehouse job. Guys worked over Saturday. Got our 6x12 beams set in place. Tack welded to our jambs. Jonathan and Julio are getting ready to take the lift up. Put some rebar stubs welded on top of this beam. Something to tie our block into. Job being ain't the block unloaded. Got our scaffolding set up really nice. Nice flat work. Sand, rebar, so we're ready to rock and roll. The goal today will be to get this wall blocked back up. Everything welded in the way it should be. And we'll be on the home stretch with this phase of the project. Got our personnel door ordered. Roll-up door guys are going to be here by the end of the week. Get things put in place. And that'll be that. Next stage will be cutting out this slab in the front. You see the grade is not forklift friendly at all. So we're going to cut out a 15 by 30 area for it with some 4,000 PSI rebar. Have a nice smooth grade coming in for their lifts. Slab infill worked out good. Final phase will be over in that far corner by the yellow cage. Be forming up and pouring a forklift ramp. Hopefully by next week, the guys are going to start moving machines in. Get this up and running. Jonathan getting this welding finished up here the way he wanted it. Nice, good work. We'll get these block unloaded, get our other pallets moved inside, and we'll be on our way. We can help you out with your commercial warehouse reconstruction, reconfiguring, remodeling jobs. Give us a call, 478-501-0102. Happy to come help you out. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.